Okay, hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I know I'm super excited, and at the same time, I know everyone else is excited as well. Now, Sondri, as I go on to introduce herself, you will realize that she is a very, very interesting individual. So, as of now, she's working at the Twameva Solution. She's actually the founding partner of Twameva Solutions, which is a company that's based in Hong Kong, which is really exciting. Twameva is actually a capability enhancement company helping businesses find the right solutions for their employees. Something that I found wonderful was that she's actually an alumnus of IIM Calcutta, which basically means that she has been brilliant all her life. She's also held very prestigious positions at companies like Unilever and ANZ. Now, of course, these are very professional names, very professional discussions, but something that Sondri taught me the first time that I interacted with her is that people have more of a likelihood to remember someone's experiences, which is why I'm going to tell you two other things about her that are really, really unique. So her company emphasizes on two very, very different things, that's storytelling and business, which is storytelling for business leaders. And I don't think we see something like that in our day and age, because, when we think of storytelling, we associate it to, I don't know, medieval times, I guess, but the power of storytelling is absolutely unparalleled and unmatchable, which is why I think Sondri personally inspired me so much. Another thing that I think all of us here should take inspiration from is that the four people heading the Twameva Solutions are women. So it has been curated by women wholeheartedly, which I think is a great experience for me to even know about, because at the end of the day, they have succeeded at personal branding. And I feel like women often aren't very confident about promoting themselves, which is why Sondri is here today to help us and to understand. So thank you so much, Sondri, for being here. And we're really, really excited to start this session. About improving verbal communication, how do you do that?
Right. I think, I want to say storytelling. It does sound like a great segue. And I'm going to say it because I think, again, it is about scripting it out. So one way of sharpening your communication is having a structure. And we say this is communication 101. You say what you want to say, you say what you're going to say, then say it, and then tell again what you've actually said. So it's a 3-step process. So similarly, when you're talking about, say you want to make a point, I wanted to say that personal branding is about bridging gaps. So I say that statement. I give an example why I think personal branding is about building gaps. In my case, I talked about, my college experience. Then I wrap it up by saying that this is why I believe that personal branding can really elevate us and go beyond it. So then your messaging is, it's a basic structure, but the messaging is very clear.
Right. That's really inspiring and a wonderful answer, that storytelling is actually the key to everything.
Absolutely. I must say that, right?
More about how you could employ storytelling being someone in tech or as a coding person.
Irrespective of whether you're techie or not, you still need to influence action, either within your organization or outside your organization. If you're just talking in tech geek, maybe other tech geeks will get you, but the world is not full of just tech geeks. The world is full of other people, and those are your stakeholders that you need to influence. So what is the point of talking in gobbledygook or whatever you want to call it, which the other person may not understand? The prime reason for communication is to have a listener who gets what you're saying and is able to mirror that. So I don't think it's a thing which is just for techies or otherwise. Everybody needs to communicate and connect.
Thank you so much. That was such a different story. And I feel like all the stories that you're saying, none of us have heard about these before.
Pleasure, absolutely, Sondri. Thank you very much.